Understanding a Carfax report is crucial when buying a used vehicle as it provides detailed information about the car's history. To start, a Carfax report is generated by entering the vehicle's identification number into the Carfax database, which contains millions of records from various sources, including state departments of motor vehicles, insurance companies, and repair shops. The report is divided into several sections, beginning with the vehicle's basic information, such as make, model, year, and mileage. This section also includes the vehicle's ownership history, including the number of previous owners and any reported odometer readings. The next section focuses on accident and damage reports. This is where you will find information about any accidents the vehicle has been involved in, including the date, location, and severity of the damage. It is essential to review this section carefully, as it can significantly impact the vehicle's value and safety. The report also includes information about any previous recalls, including the recall date, description, and remedy. Additionally, it will indicate if the recall has been completed or is still pending. This information is vital to ensure the vehicle is safe to drive and compliant with current safety standards. Another critical section is the title information, which indicates if the vehicle has a clean title or if it has been salvaged, rebuilt, or had a flood damage claim. A clean title indicates that the vehicle has no major issues, while a salvaged or rebuilt title suggests that the vehicle has been severely damaged and may have underlying problems. To get the most out of a Carfax report, it is essential to review it carefully and look for any red flags, such as accidents, recalls, or title issues. It is also crucial to verify the report's information with the seller or a third-party inspector to ensure accuracy. When reviewing a Carfax report, it is best to take your time and not rush through the process. Look for any inconsistencies or discrepancies in the report and ask questions if you are unsure about any information. By doing so, you can make an informed decision when buying a used vehicle and avoid potential pitfalls down the road. In conclusion, a Carfax report is a valuable tool when buying a used vehicle, providing essential information about the car's history. By understanding the report's sections and taking the time to review it carefully, you can make a more informed decision and avoid potential problems. Always remember to verify the report's information and look for any red flags to ensure you are getting a reliable and safe vehicle.